A winch can be a vital piece of equipment for just about anybody, but buying it and using it properly are very important. And to give us some pointers, we have Scott Peterson. He is a senior design engineer with Super Winch. Scott, welcome to Goss's Garage.
Thanks for having me, Pat. It's great to be here.
Okay, first, buying the winch. What's one of the primary things you look for?
One of the primary things is capacity. Basically, you're looking for a rule of thumb of 1.5 to 2 times the weight of your vehicle. In the case of my Jeep, 4,500 pounds. You want a winch about 9,000 or greater. This is our 9,800 pound rated product. It's a good application for a Jeep.
Okay, synthetic versus steel rope.
Synthetic rope has a lot of safety improvements. It's lighter than steel. It's stronger than an equivalent size cable. And because it's lighter, if that cable breaks, it doesn't fly through the air with the weight of a steel cable, possibly harming you, someone around you.
Okay, the abrasion sleeve that you have on here.
That is a movable abrasion sleeve. One of the things that synthetic rope doesn't like is abrasion. If you're in a situation where your Jeep is on an incline and you've got to get over a stone edge or something like that, if you try to recover your Jeep up that rope's under tension, it can get abraded by the edge of the rock or whatever you're going around. You always want to move that abrasion sleeve to wherever that abrasion or that contact would be happening to protect your rope.
Okay, we have an old floor mat thrown over the rope. Purpose?
Purpose of that is, again, safety. If that line were to break, you want to have all of that energy go down to the ground. Use a heavy sweatshirt, use a floor mat out of the car, whatever you have to maintain safety in your recovery. Basically, with synthetic rope, less so. If you've got steel cable, you absolutely want all of that energy to go straight down to the ground. You really shouldn't winch without a winch weight on your cable in that case.
Okay, the hook on the end. Safety winch uses a special one that has a safety catch on it.
Every hook that Super Winch sells has a safety latch. You're going to have a strap, tree saver strap around a tree as your anchor point. You're going to put the 2 loops of that in here. You want that latch to close.
And if it gets damaged?
Absolutely replace it. Inspect all of your gear, your line, your safety hooks, everything each time you go out.
All right, now it seems painfully obvious, but people don't always do the obvious. Gloves.
Yeah, it does kind of go without saying. You're out, you're in the woods, you're working with metal hooks, you're possibly working with metal line. Always have a good pair. Mine are a little bit dirty. Leather palm gloves for safety's sake, absolutely.
Okay, Scott, thank you. And if you have a question or comment, drop me a line right here at MotorWeek.